We are here to witness the wedding and to acknowledge the marriage of Chase and Audrey. On their behalf, it is truly my privilege to welcome all of you. You must know that you are very special in their lives, and they're honored that you could be part of this celebration. Each of you, I imagine, has given something of yourselves to enrich their lives, and it's been your love, your guidance, and in your encouragement. That will always be treasured. So, on their behalf, thank you for being with us. Chase Audrey is an American author by the name of Richard Bach, who once wrote something simple. He says, "True love stories never have endings." And both of you have taken into your care and trust the happiness of the one person in this world that you love with all of your heart, right? And you've given yourself, your life, and your love into the hands of the one person who loves you with all of their heart. But I ask you to consider this reality. To the whole world, you may be one person.
Audrey, because this ring has no end
Or beginning. It signifies the continuation
It signifies the continuation
of our love.
On
Chase's left hand, please, after me.
Chase, today we move from I to we.
Accept this ring as a symbol
Accept this ring as a symbol
of my decision.
I
walked into this place to meet you today,
walked into this place to meet you today,
and we shall walk from it together.
and we shall walk from it together.
I now pronounce them husband and wife. You know what to do.
Let's raise a glass to my sister Audrey and her new husband Chase, my dear friend.
Cheers! I love you guys so much.
Welcome to the family, Chase.
Toast to the perfect couple.